Hi, this is Mike Regan with Transact's 2-Minute Warning for the week of July 6th. And in this week's 2-Minute Warning, we're taking a look at the deal between Yellow Freight and the United States government. If you're an LTL shipper, you were able to breathe a huge sigh of relief heading into the 4th of July weekend. Now, the reason for that was because it was announced last week that Yellow Freight Corporation had struck a deal with the United States government. And under the terms of this deal, Yellow Freight will be getting some much needed capital that they can use for their operations and for satisfying their obligations for their associates' health care and pension benefits, as well as get some capital to invest in refreshing their rolling stock. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, over the past couple of months, YRC has been getting a lot of attention. Now, when I was quoted in the Wall Street Journal about what was going on at YRC, one of the things that I highlighted was that what a lot of people didn't understand was the fact that all of the parties involved in YRC's future were completely aligned as to what they wanted to see happen. And what they wanted to see happen was not just see YRC survive, but have the opportunity to execute on their strategic plan that Darren Hawkins outlined in one of our recent interviews with him. Now, I'm really delighted that they're going to have this opportunity, but it's also important to understand why it was so critically important. Through their national and regional carrier network, YRC provides services to thousands of shippers. And while you may say, well, Mike, there's a lot of LTL carriers that can provide that, what we're finding right now is that in the LTL sector, there are some capacity concerns, which is why some of the LTL carriers have adjusted their service schedules and restricted pickups and deliveries into certain rural areas of the country. I personally believe, based on my conversation with some industry experts, that as the U.S. government looked at it, they saw the same thing that we did. And that is, if you want to keep North American supply chains rolling, then YRC is a vitally important player in making that happen. Now, having said that, if you're going to be going to market with an LTL sourcing event anytime in the near future, you really need to give us a call. Over the last couple of weeks, we've shared some things that you can do to put together a world-class sourcing event, and we've gotten a lot of great questions. But we also have some resources that we can share with you that will help you execute against this plan and get you the best possible results. Now, we make all of this available to you because with each and every 2-minute warning, we're here to remind you we are on your team, we're here to help, and we're passionate about seeing you be successful. Thanks for your time.